Hi, this is Annie, and today I will be making tapioca honeycomb cake. This is a really simple recipe to follow, and I hope you enjoy it. You can find a list of ingredients and instructions on my blog at annievang.com. You will need eggs, sugar, warm water, coconut milk, vanilla extract, green food coloring, tapioca flour, cream of tartar, and baking soda. It will also be helpful to have 2 large bowls and also a mesh strainer. Spray your nonstick cooking pan. Here I'm using a bundt cake pan and also another round cake pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and place your pans in the middle of the oven. Next, crack some eggs in a large bowl. Add your water and sugar and mix well. Add your egg mixture in and mix well. Add some coconut milk, vanilla extract, and the green food coloring, and mix well. In this next step, I'm adding half of the tapioca flour to the mixture. I'm carefully stirring them into the mixture as I'm trying not to introduce any more air bubbles into the mixture. I'm also using the spoon to spread some of the flour onto the sides of the bowl so that it can get incorporated into the batter. Next, we will pour the batter into the strainer so we can get rid of any lumps. Next, we're going to create our own single-acting baking powder. I will be adding the baking soda with the cream of tartar. Once the baking powder combines with the batter, it will start activating, and you will see little bubbles form in the batter. If you're not seeing any bubbles, that could mean that your baking soda may be a little bit old and you'll have to do this again. If you don't see any bubbles, that means that your baking powder isn't working. Do not use the double acting baking powder from the store. It's not going to produce the same results. Place in the oven and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know when it's done because the top will be golden and firm to the touch. Make sure you let the cake cool before cutting. How I can describe this cake is that it is chewy, sweet, coconutty, and has a spongy texture. If your cake doesn't rise and it's flat, it's most likely due to the single-acting baking powder. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy it. Music credits go to Benjamin Zhang.